So, hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my new squishable ladybug plush. His name is Buggy Boo. He is from Squishable and he has these designs with the black line and black circles around it. Of course, it's a ladybug. And this is his back for a closer look. Here, how cute is it? And it's brand Squishable, and let's see the tag. It says, Squishable makes this best, softest, cutest, coolest plush in the world since 2007. So, this plushie is since 2007. Okay. And it has here little legs. It's so cute. It's almost like spider. Here. So cute. So, it can walk on you. And it has his tag here. Squishable. He's so cute, just so adorable. Buy this right now.